Hey everybody, it is August 5th, 2018. So here is a pumpkin garden update. I had to cut off some of the leaves for the garden because there was one tutorial that said some leaves that have the mildew on them, they gotta go. So I cut off like 3 of them. I still need to cut off more. And I also have some bad news. Pumpkin that was growing back here, look, it deflated and rotted. Does anybody have any suggestions to prevent this from happening in the future? Because I really appreciate it. That sucks. Man, I am not having good luck with pumpkins this year. Won't be so bountiful. So I'm thinking next year I'm taking a break from growing pumpkins. Oh, and this one over here, it's definitely rotted as well. No hope for that one. And this pumpkin right here seems to have grown quite a bit. I just hope it ripens eventually. Hope it doesn't rot on me. Because something this year does not want me to have pumpkins. And let me show you the one back here. Hold on. Oh, that one's definitely grown a lot. Significantly. And the one I actually checked the one back there. It seems to be doing okay. We'll just have to wait and see how everything goes. And here's another vine that's growing along with another part of the vine, as well as here. One thing I did a couple of days ago was get rid of some of the weeds that were in the dirt, thinking that would help things out. I don't know if it really helped anything, but like I said, we'll have to wait and see. And let me show you this one right here. This one, I don't know what's gonna come of this one, but all I can do is just hope for the best. I even put a little plastic bag under just to help it along, to keep away from whatever's out there. I did spray some Bug Be Gone on Friday, so all I can do is see if that helped out. Kill some ants, and also keep any other pests out. I read somewhere that at this time of the year, what, August 5th, or sometime in August, the vine borers would die out. I'm still investigating the root right here. Or stem or whatever. But yeah, I think in 2020, if I actually do pumpkins again, I'll have better luck. I mean, that's what I think. I mean, we will have to wait. Of course, we will have to wait and see what happens. And I see a couple of females growing here. I actually moved this part of the vine out just to give it more room. Can't be along the fence. Didn't want it to be along the fence. So yeah, this is all I have to report at the moment. All I can do right now is hope for a miracle, and hope that some pumpkins will actually grow. So yeah, I'm gonna stop the video right here, and I'll see ya. Bye.